What up, foodie cuties? It's been a minute. I'm so excited because guess what? I got that Wingstop. But before we get into it, foodie cuties, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't showed some love, please show me some love. Share it with your people. I haven't been on for, I think it's been 4 months, man. I've been so busy. I had 2 family members that got married. Congratulations, Yesenia and Marlon. Let me take this bite for y'all. This is the new flavor. The lemon garlic. Ooh. Oh my god. It's fire. And guess what? I'm team flats. I got all flats. All flats, baby. I'm sorry. Your girl, she hungry. I'm hungry. And I've been craving this for like 3 weeks now. And you know, when a girl PMSing, she gotta get what she gotta get. Mango habanero. Now I have to have a little spice, a little spicy spice. Fire. I know I haven't been on for a minute, but let's just say it's gonna be a lot of eating. These are my favorite now. The little corns. So yesterday, me and my foodie cutie had our 3-year anniversary. So happy. We went to Calaveras right here in Montebello. It was really good. Surprisingly, I didn't have a big appetite last night. So me and Bae shared some ceviche. And theirs was different. It had mango in it, but it was really good. I'm gonna go in for another one of these. These were so good. And I had this really bomb drink. It was almost like a dessert. It was a dessert. Called, whoa. Ew. All that ranch. Called gargling that ranch. It was called the horchata colada. Ooh, it was so good. It was like one of those drinks where you didn't expect it to be topped with whipped cream, but it was topped with whipped cream. It was so good. No lie though. My last Wingstop video, which was like a couple months ago, has been the most viewed video I've had as well. So here you go. I just love digging into those corns. A random fry in there. That's kind of weird. These are so good. Look at all that seasoning. And guess what? I fell this week on Tuesday, and my knee is all bruised up right now. Don't even ask me how, honestly. My foot got caught on a cabinet, and boom, I landed straight on my right knee. So much pain. Like I said, it's still bruised up, but the good thing that is not in pain. It's just like a little achy, like it's very uncomfortable type of feel. Like it's swollen still, like the whole kneecap is like swollen. Like I can't put my leg straight because it feels so uncomfortable. Like it doesn't hurt, it just feels so weird. I don't know how to explain it, but those of you that have knee pain know what the fuck I mean. But yeah, these are the new flavors. Well, this is one of the new flavors, the garlic parmesan. Wait. I mean the garlic lemon. Fire. And then of course, you know, I had to do the mango habanero. Because I love me some spicy. Excuse me. And usually when I crave stuff, for some reason, I crave spicy. I know a lot of women they crave sweet stuff. Chocolate, ice cream. Don't get me wrong, I crave that every now and then too. But me, I crave like spicy, savory. Like those dried up mango chilies. Those are so good. Or hot Cheetos. I know. They're not the best for you, but damn, they good. Damn, they good. Look how baby little this one is. I'm so happy to be doing a mukbang. Whew. I feel like I miss you guys. That's crazy. It's been too long. I really hope that it doesn't go this long again. Whew, like I said, I've been so busy. Things are getting busier at work. Thank God. People are coming back into the salon, getting their hair done, having special events, special occasions to, you know, book beauticians like myself. Sorry, this is finger licking good. I gotta lick my fingers. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I'm drinking a Coke. Oh, man. Ooh, wee. I'm getting full. I ate a little too fast. Oh, but have you guys ever tried the Taco Bell? Sorry if my ring light is reflecting on my glasses a lot. Whew. Don't mind me. I don't got no makeup on right now. So I probably look a little dead, but we gonna do what it do. We gonna do what it do still. The point was for me to get on, have a good little combo with y'all, let y'all know that I'm still here. I exist. I'm alive. And I'm thriving. Thriving. Whew. Ooh, these actually a little spicy. And you know why I'm like eating these so like bomb? Because they're all flats. Wait, I want to do that trick I did the last time for you guys. Okay. You hold it from the little knuckle part on the top. Just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. And then you push it downwards. Dude, look it. It took all the carne off. Y'all gotta try this. Fuck yeah. And then dip. Wow. That bite was everything. Mmm. Whew. Wow. Whew. Menchile. Oh, so good. I'll try with this garlic one. And this video, I know it's gonna be a little long because I want to finish my food. And I said I was getting full. I am getting full, but I only got 3 more left, so you know. Ooh. Look at that. Let me get that garlic dip. This for y'all. I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all. Mmm. Mmm. Fire. Mm-hmm. If y'all haven't tried the new lemon garlic flavor, try it. And if you're on a strict meal plan because you're losing weight and all that, try it on cheat day. Mmm. Come on. Delicious. These, my light turned off. I hate when that thing does that because it's like, gets so hot. I need a new ring lamp. So whoever wants to sponsor me for a new ring lamp, go right ahead. Just kidding. Let's just make this brighter. Perfect. Oh man. Technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. There we go. That looks a little better. But let me just unplug and replug. Oops. I guess that didn't work. Yeah, it's overheated. The little thing that it's plugged in on is super hot. We'll just unplug that for a little bit. Technical difficulties, you see what I mean? Like, good thing I'm basically done, you know? But the devil trying to stop me, but he ain't gonna stop nothing. He ain't gonna stop nothing. Because guess what, Foodie Cuties? I'm back. And it ain't gonna take me no 3 months to make another video. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. But we here. Let's dig into another corn. I know y'all see it still. I know y'all see it still. This little corn don't got no meat. Drip, drip. That one didn't got no meat. Oh yeah. Fire. Now, in the comment section, let me know. Do y'all order all flats? Do you guys have ever ordered all flats? Because I did today. Banging. No, but for real, like, my message of the day is don't give up. Do not. Hold on. Get the little. I'm fucking it up. I know. I don't have to do that. But do not give up. Whether you're trying to start your own business, you have a weight loss journey goal, you started dating somebody and you're, you know, you love them, but things are kind of rocky, like, make compromises, you know. No one's perfect. Do not give up being there for your family. Just, like, put in that work, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying compare yourself to other people, like, oh, it could be worse, oh, they got it better, oh, this, and that. Make life what you want. And if you really want something, don't give up. I mean, I've been on this weight loss journey for my whole life. And look at me. Just fucked up a whole 10-piece. But you know what? This upcoming week, I'm going to get my ass back in the gym. Because last week I didn't go. And I've been seeing the gains. Like, when I flex, I be seeing because I be having that little arm jiggle. But when I flex, the jiggle, like, comes up. And I'm like, dang. Lifting has really helped. Like, it really does help. So for you girls that think, oh, I don't want to look masculine by lifting too many weights or too heavy, like, that's not possible, girl. It's not possible. It helps tone. It helps build muscle. Obviously build that muscle where you want it to be built, you know. So if you don't want, like, tone shoulders and back, then I mean, work it out just so you can have a strong back, but don't, like, overly do it, you know. I usually always try to focus on my arms and my legs and my back, because I notice when I don't work out on my back hurts, like, because I'm a hairdresser, so I'm always, like, leaning over people or, like, reaching over people or, like, shampooing people hunched over, like. But when I notice when I do exercise more and do lifts more, my back is just so much stronger and it doesn't hurt like it does when it's on the weaker side. But anyways, I ain't no fucking trainer or anything like that. I'm just talking about my experience. And back to the message of the day. Do not give up on yourself, or mainly yourself. But, you know, if you really love somebody or if you're really passionate about something, just keep going for it. Keep going for it. Do what you can to make it successful. Like, I've been having my own mobile business for, I want to say, like 8+ years. And it's been growing. It's grown a lot throughout these years. And oh, I'm going to get emotional. I just have noticed that growth in myself as a human, as a businesswoman. And like, I look back and I'm just like, damn, like, you've grown up, girl. But that's just me. So y'all see all this growth and journey that I've been throughout these 4 months that I haven't talked to y'all. No, but this was really freaking amazing. I enjoyed being back so much. I cannot eat that last chicken wing though. 9 done. And all these corns, I got like 5 left. But yeah, that's what it is. Just do what makes you happy. Don't compare yourself to anybody else, because everybody is on their own journey. Everybody is on their own path. Like, I don't know if I've told you guys, but I didn't go to college right after high school. I went straight to the hustle, straight to beauty school. Wanted to get that money. I'm back in school now, and honestly, I feel amazing. And I don't try to compare myself to anybody, because I have family members that already have got their bachelor's degrees, their doctorates. And I look at them as motivation, as inspiration, not as competition, not as like, oh my gosh, hating like they're fucking nerds. Like, no. Like, do what you do to make yourself happy, you know? So, get it, girl, get it, girl, get it, girl, and get it, boy, get it, cuties, get it, Foodie Cuties, get it, Foodie Cuties, get it, Foodie Cuties, hey, get it, Foodie Cuties, get it, hey. All right, I'm done. But thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you on the next mukbang.